It's time to say goodbye to this card and hello to something better. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you have any interest in starting your own online business and having me guide you through the process of creating that business, then check out the link in the description below. So, I've had the Chase Freedom card for a long time, a number of years, but as you all know, back in September 2020, something pretty amazing happened. Chase actually discontinued the Freedom card from new applications. That was supposed to go that way. There we go. And in its place, Chase released the new Freedom Flex card. And confession, I actually don't have one to show you. And that's because I'm still living in the past with this guy. Now, normally I would apply for a new Chase card first because that way you're eligible for a new welcome bonus to get a ton of points or cashback in your pocket up front. But no surprise here, I've opened up more than 5 cards in the past 24 months with a bunch of different issuers, so I'm ineligible to apply for a new Chase card. However, because the new benefits of the Freedom Flex card are so much better than the original Freedom, I think it's still worth changing this card to the Flex via a product change. And that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to call Chase and actually show you the process of doing a product change, switching from the original Freedom card to the new Freedom Flex. Now, before I let you hear my phone call with Chase, I actually want to go over a few of the benefit changes between the original Chase Freedom card and the new Freedom Flex. This will not be a full in-depth analysis or comparison. I did a different video on that one, so be sure to go watch it. But there are just 2 or 3 small things that I really want you to be aware of in case you are considering a product change yourself between these 2 card products. Check out this image here on your screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Chase Freedom, where I boxed in red, old. That's the old version of the card. That's the one I currently had here in this video. And it normally earned 5% cashback or 5 points per dollar on quarterly categories that would rotate every 3 months. You'd then earn 1% cashback on all other purchases. Now that we're moving over to the new Freedom Flex, in yellow there on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice that it still earns 5% cashback on quarterly categories that change, but there are 3 brand new cashback categories that were added to it. Namely, 5% back on travel when you booked it through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% back on dining, 3% back on drugstores, and 1% back on everything else. Okay, 2 more quick changes and then I'll call Chase. One more change to be aware of is that the original Freedom card was a Visa and the new Freedom Flex is now a MasterCard. Now, once I convert to the new Freedom Flex, a MasterCard, I will not be able to use it at Costco anymore. And lastly, with the new Freedom Flex, because it's becoming a World Elite MasterCard, there are some additional benefits with that new designation, particularly cell phone insurance, Lyft benefits, Boxed benefits, ShopRunner benefits, and Fandango benefits. Okay, now that we covered all of that, I know you've been waiting to actually hear my phone call with Chase to see what the product change process is actually like, going from the Chase Freedom to the new Freedom Flex. So, let's do it. All right, let's do this. So what I'm doing here, I got my web browser open on the left-hand side and my phone over here on the right-hand side. Now, what I like to do is pull up the card I'm going to do an upgrade or a downgrade to, and then check the offer details. Obviously, I'm not going to be eligible for the sign-up bonus, and that's totally okay. I'm aware of that. But I also want to make sure that after the conversion, that I'm not going to count myself out to get a bonus in the future. So when I pull up offer details here, it then pulls up this page where I can read about it, and notice this second line here. This product is not available to either current card members of this credit card or previous card members of this credit card who received a new card member bonus for this credit card within the past 24 months. So for me personally, I don't currently have the Chase Freedom Flex card, so that little bullet point letter I is satisfied, no problem there. But obviously, if I want to apply for in the future to get the $200 cashback bonus or whatever the offer is at the time, I cannot be a previous member of the Flex card who got a bonus within the past 2 years, basically. So by upgrading, I'm not going to get a bonus. And when I do decide to apply for the Freedom Flex, perhaps as a new application in the future, I'll make sure that I switch it to the Freedom Unlimited or something different like that. So I'm totally good there. I can still get the bonus in the future if I desire to. So with that in mind, I'm now going to go ahead and pull up the phone and go to the keypad and now call the number on the back of my card here. I'm holding the Freedom card at the moment, 524-3880. I'll put this on speakerphone for you all, and let's see what the process for switching this card is like.
This call will be monitored and recorded, and your voice may be used for verification.
Thank you for choosing JP Morgan Executive Line. My name is JP. May I have your name, please?
Hey, JP, this is Jeffrey Reese.
Thank you, Mr. Reese. How are you doing today?
All well. How about things on your end?
I'm doing pretty good also. Thank you for asking.
Awesome.
How can we help you today, sir?
Yeah, so I've got the Chase Freedom card, and I'd like to do a product change over to the Chase Freedom Flex.
Freedom Flex, okay, absolutely. So I just have a few disclosures I would need to go over with you. While I have them pull up, Mr. Reese, could you verify your mailing address so we can send out the new card, please? Perfect, exactly what we have listed. All right, so here are the disclosures. Your request for a product change is not eligible for a new card member bonus. That offer is only available for new credit applications. Please keep in mind that when you change to a MasterCard World Elite card from a Visa Signature card, the benefits will be different. Any promotional balances attached to the old account will transfer to your new account based on terms of the original promotion. If you currently have a flexible financing balance on your account, like My Chase Plan or My Chase Loan, it will remain under the same terms and conditions with your new product. New flexible financing offers may not always be available. Please note your expiration date, account number, and security code will change. If you have automatic charges billed to this account, you will want to inform those merchants of the new account information once you receive your new cards. Are we okay to continue?
Quick question for you. You did mention that the card number would change, correct?
It will, yes. Since it's going from Visa to MasterCard, they are completely different numbers.
Okay, got you. And once that happens, all of my past history, like payments, history on the card remains intact even with that, correct?
Correct, yes.
Okay, awesome. Then yes, go ahead and please process that change.
Perfect. Oh, and actually just two more. If any of the terms of your account have changed, depending on your account settings, you will receive a letter in the mail or an electronic notice on Chase.com explaining the changes and your right to reject them. And finally, you're currently enrolled in a digital wallet and will be removed. Once you get your new card, you can enroll in Apple and or Google Pay. All other digital wallets are not supported at this time. Are we okay to finalize?
Yep, please finalize.
Perfect. All right. So that completes the change. So you should be expecting your new Freedom Flex card in the next 3 to 5 business days. Or actually, let's see. Okay, so you should expect your new card within 5 business days to the address on file. And then your current account will remain open for 60 days just so you don't have any problems with like automatic billing with merchants that you have previously set up. And so you have time to change that, okay?
Okay, awesome. So since I do have my current Freedom card as on my mobile wallet, that will still keep working until I activate the new Flex, correct?
Now, that one's a little tricky. Just from the disclosures that were given, it says that you'll be unenrolled. The card itself will still be active, so I can't give you a 100% guarantee just off of the information I have. If it's still there, then yes, it'll still work. But if it's not, it's because it's no longer eligible for the digital wallet.
Gotcha. I'll just keep the physical card on hand then.
Yes, exactly. All right. Anything else you need today, Mr. Reese?
That's all for now. You've been helpful. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, sir. Just a quick reminder, before I let you go, on an unrelated note, you always have an option to add an additional user to your account. Would you be interested in adding someone today?
Not at this time, but thank you anyway.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day, Mr. Reese, and happy holidays.
Likewise. Thank you. And just like that, the new Chase Freedom Flex is on its way to my mailbox right now. So I hope that call was very helpful for you to understand what the process is actually like and some of the nuances and changes that'll be happening to the card, especially as I move from one product to the other. Now, to recap, there are 3 main things that I do want you to be aware of, and I'll put them up here on the screen as well. First of all, changing from a Freedom Visa card to the Freedom Flex MasterCard means a new 16-digit account number will be issued. Also, one of the most important points here is that your account history will be preserved, meaning your payment history, the age of your account, your credit limit, and things of that nature will all be intact with your new card once you receive it. And lastly, if you currently have the Freedom card enrolled in a mobile wallet like Apple Pay, for example, it will deactivate. So you need to add the new Freedom Flex back to your mobile wallet once you receive the card in the mail. And I think that covers everything. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, if you're under the 524 rule, meaning you've opened up 4 or fewer cards in the past 24 months, and therefore you're eligible for a new Chase card, and you want to apply for the Freedom Flex or the Freedom Unlimited, then check out the link in the description below. It is my personal referral link, so it's a great way to support this channel if you value the information that I put inside these videos. I've also got a second link down there that will teach you how to start your own online business and have me guide you through the process step by step from start to finish. If that interests you, then check out that second link in the description below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.